Hello there, little adventurers. It's me, Candy, Tiki's friend and first of all, your friend. Welcome to another exciting episode of Alphabet Animal Adventures. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of animals whose names start with the letter H. Get ready to meet some really amazing creatures. Let's embark on this groovy adventure together. Let's begin our H animal journey with the tiny hamster. Hamsters are small rodents and one of the best pets. They have soft fur and love to explore their little homes. Hamsters have pouches in their cheeks where they can store food. It's like having secret snack compartments. Next up, we have the hopping hares. Hares are fast and furry animals with long legs. They can hop and run really quickly to stay safe from predators. Hares are known for their huge leaps. They can jump far distances in just a few bounds. Let's all try hopping like a hare. Very good. Moving along, let's say hello to the charming hedgehog. Hedgehogs are spiky creatures that roll into a ball when they feel scared. They have tiny faces and curious noses. Hedgehogs love munching on insects and worms. They're like nature's little bug catchers. Diving into the water, we have the hefty hippos. Hippos are large and powerful animals that love to spend time in rivers and lakes. They have big mouths and love to swim. Hippos can hold their breath and stay underwater for several minutes. It's like they're having their own underwater tea party. Get ready for an adventure with the majestic horses. Horses are strong and elegant animals that can run really fast. They have long tails and love to gallop. Horses communicate with each other through sounds like neighs and whinnies. Can you make a horsey sound? Very good. Up in the sky, we have the skilled hawks. Hawks are birds of prey that soar high above and have sharp eyes to spot their food. They have powerful beaks and talons. Hawks have excellent vision and can see small animals from great distances. They're like nature's own super spies. Let's meet the curious hyena. Hyenas are clever carnivores that live in groups called clans. They have unique calls that they use to communicate with each other. Hyenas have strong jaws and sharp teeth. They're like nature's cleanup crew, helping keep the savannah tidy. And there you have it, our groovy adventure with animals starting with the letter H. From hamsters to hyenas, each creature brings its own charm and excitement to our world. I hope you enjoyed learning about these gorgeous friends as much as I did. Until our next thrilling expedition, keep exploring and discovering little learners. If you enjoy our fun videos and adventures, we'd love for you to become a part of our amazing family by hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the magic and laughter we share together. So, go ahead and click that button, and let's embark on more fantastic journeys together.